Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Hydrogen peroxide decomposes much faster when manganese dioxide is added to the mix. Let's quickly find out why this chemical reaction speeds up so significantly. Manganese dioxide acts as a catalyst in this specific reaction. It is not consumed during the process, but its presence is essential for increasing the overall rate of the chemical decomposition. A catalyst works by providing an alternative reaction pathway. This new route is much more efficient because it requires significantly less energy for the reactant molecules to successfully turn into products. This lower activation energy allows more particles to react at the same temperature. That makes option D the perfect explanation for our observation. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing into wrong choices. Trust the given data and check your steps.